Students, this is Dr. Church, and I want to talk to you about running exercise 13 with Python the hard way. So when you take a look at this exercise, it's going to be called parameters and unpacking and variables. So there's really more than one way that you can input information to Python, which then can be used to execute the script. So we did a user input, and that's a very common way. You use a command line, or you use an argument there that allows you to input a variable. You did that last week. This is actually going to allow a command line variable to be put in, so you're going to have to do one extra step. You can't just run this program, and I'll show you how to do it in two different ways. So I just would like for you to type it in. It's only an 8-line program, and if you look at it, it says from system import argv. Argvs is like argument variables there, and so on line 3, you're going to identify define script first, second, third is equal to the arguments in this. So it's kind of interesting. Then you're going to print those 4 variables, okay? And it just says the script is called and script, and that script variable is just the name of the script, and so he just called it script. Not very interesting there, a little bit confusing. As a matter of fact, he should have given it some kind of name so that you wouldn't think that script was like some unique thing, or that it had to be that way. He just called it script. I don't know, he called it Sam or John or Dr. Church or something. I don't know. So but then you've got the first, second, and third variable. So there's 4 arguments that are going to get passed to this program in order for it to run. So let's just take a look at it. I typed it into Thony, and so it looked exactly like the program that you see in the text. And if I don't pass it any command line arguments, right, then it's gonna give me an error. Okay, so let's just run it with a clear screen. And so what it says is trace back most recent call. So you're calling script first, second, third equal argv. Not enough values to unpack. Expected 4, got 1. So I actually didn't give it any arguments, and so it doesn't recognize that. So there's 2 ways to do it within Thony. The first thing is to go to this checkbox, go under View, Program Arguments, and actually check that. I had mine checked, and so I unchecked it, and you'll see it up here in the upper right hand corner. It will appear. So if I go View, Program Arguments, you're going to see a line. And what that's going to do is allow me to pass command line arguments. And so what I'm going to do here is type those in: first, second, and third. And so that now when I run this, it's going to run this script, and it's going to go to that script is called ex13, or example, or exercise 13. That was the name of my program, right? And then I just passed it these 3 command line variables, first, second, and third, and then it ran just fine without any errors. And so then it executed those 4 print statements, and it returned the name of my script. It gave me that first, second, third argument there. Let's change that and see what happens. And instead of doing first, second, third, let's just see if it'll work. We will call this goodness, we'll just call it, let's see, Sam, Kate, and George. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now the script is still called ex13, and the first variable is Sam, Kate, and George. Now what you notice is it gave me it printed those commas. So let's take the commas out, and so there's just a space between them: Sam, Kate, and George. Let's run it again. Now those commas have disappeared. Okay, so it's going to take those 3 command line arguments, and then it's going to write those values into those. So script is, I guess it is by this argv, is defined as the name of the program, right? And in the it's we're passing three command line variables um, to the script, and then it's just printing those out. Now there's another way we can do it as well. We can go to run script in terminal, and that's going to take me to terminal, okay? And there is identified, and so now it's taking me to where I've located this in for Python files, and I'm just going to put in ex13.py, and let's just put that in again. We'll put in first, second, and third, and now it's gonna run that and say the first variable is first, the second is second, the third is third. Let's run it again. ex13.py, and we'll call this Sam, what would say Kate and George, and now it changes those, and so I can run that within my command line terminal as well. Now again, without those program arguments, if I take those out and try to run it again, it's going to give me an error. It's going to give me a traceback error. It's looking for me to give it something, and if I don't give it anything to go into those variables, then it's just not going to work. All right, so give that a try. You're gonna have to pass command line arguments. Anytime you see this from sys import argv, then you know that you're going to have to go over here to view program arguments and then pass, however many arguments need to be passed in there. Or you could go up here and run it from the terminal, which takes you to the command line. And the other way that you can get to command line, remember, is you can go down here and just type in command and get the command prompt, and that pops it up as well. The problem is, if you do that, you're not in the right directory, okay, for where your Python is located, and so you'd have to navigate within the command prompts to get to the right spot, right? So you see that's actually in my Google Drive, my FA Google Drive, and that's where the actual program is being ran, and so that kind of does that for me within Thony. Okay, I hope all that makes sense, and you can give that a shot. If worst thing that can happen is it doesn't run, and then you just show me that. But show me this, show me your output, let me know, play with it, put in a couple of different variables there. I don't know, put in the name of your dog and cat and your neighbor's dog or something, and make it a little bit fun. Okay, all right, give that a shot. Hey, it's programming. Go learn something today.